Firstly, I begin by updating us that our brother just left here not feeling very well, the chairman of EFCC, Malang Abdurasheed Bawa, but after a few minutes he stabilized and he left here. So let us remember him in our good prayers. It could be the challenges of the work and stress and many more. That could be the main reason, because a public office requires a lot of commitments from you to be successful. As long as you are doing the work and you want to be successful, then definitely you will encounter stress, trauma, challenges, and many more. But we are glad that he stabilized, and we pray to Almighty to continue to guide all of us. I am here to represent our boss, President Muhammad.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.